There is a man who spent 60 years systematically cracking his own knuckles, and then won a Nobel Prize for it. This is what he found. Our finger joints are surrounded by a thick liquid called synovial fluid. It's your body's built-in lubricant. It keeps your joints moving smoothly. Dissolved inside that fluid are gases, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Floating there, invisibly, doing nothing. Until you pull. Check this out. When you stretch a joint, the pressure inside drops. Those dissolved gases suddenly have room to move, and they collide, forming a bubble almost instantly. That bubble collapses in less than a third of a second. The shock wave it sends through your joint? That's the crack. Look at this. Scientists actually filmed this happening in an MRI in real time, and it's genuinely unsettling. But here's something most people never think about. Your knuckles aren't the only things that pop. Knees, ankles, backs, all make the same sound. And for most of those joints, it's a completely different cause. That's your tendons, thick bands of connective tissue, snapping back into position over a bony surface as the joint moves. Same noise, totally different mechanism. Your body is full of surprises. Now, the question everyone actually wants answered. Does this cause arthritis? Well, meet Dr. Donald Unger, a man who took this question personally. For 60 years, 6 decades, he cracked the knuckles on his left hand every single day, multiple times a day, and he left his right hand completely alone. At the end of those 60 years, 0 arthritis in either hand. No difference whatsoever. He wrote this up as a formal scientific paper, and in 2009, he was awarded the LG Nobel Prize, science's award for research that first makes you laugh, then makes you think. On the other hand, yes, that was intentional, there is a 1990 study that found habitual knuckle crackers had slightly more hand swelling and reduced grip strength compared to those who didn't. But here's the context that matters. It was a small study, and in the 35 years since it was published, no major research has successfully replicated those findings. The scientific consensus today? Knuckle cracking is largely harmless, at least to your joints. So the next time someone tells you to stop, you've got 60 years of self-experimentation and a Nobel Prize on your side. You might still be the most annoying person in the room, but your joints, they're fine. If you want to crack the science behind everyday life, subscribe. New documentary every week.